Well, that was certainly a hard workout session. I didn't know we could use so many different things as exercise equipment.
I bet you will never look at a tin of baked beans the same again. Apart from the exercise, how is your dieting going?
To be honest, Gordon, it is a real struggle. I get lost with all the things I have to try to remember.
You know, Wendy, it is just maths. If you decrease input by watching what you eat and increase output with exercise, then you must eventually lose body fat.
So basically, I increase my activity level, and I decrease my eating level.
You nailed it in one, Wendy.
You know, it is simple to say, but I still find it really difficult.
Well, let's see if we can go back a step to make it easier. I know. Do you remember the list we talked about last week in the cafe?
Oh yes, when we talked about the sauces, spreads, dairy and ice cream, just a few of my favorite things.
Yes, I wanted you to identify those foods in your diet that make you gain weight. I suggested you either replace them with low-fat substitutes or eliminate them altogether. How did that go?
Well, I went through my shopping list and replaced my favorite foods with low-fat versions.
And the result was?
Oh, I ate more ice cream than I would normally eat because it was low-fat.
That is generally the problem when we switch to zero-fat foods. That is why we say if you cannot control the portion size, you have to seriously think about eliminating it from your diet altogether.
Yes, I can see that if I'm lumping this stuff on my plate without thinking about portion size, then I have to stop, think about what I am doing, and change what I am doing.
Correct. And the same goes for processed meats. Do you know all processed meats are high in fat? If they are in your diet, you have to take them out.
I guess it is the same for sweets and takeaways. If I can't control them, then I have to eliminate them.
That's right, Wendy. It's not the food that is the problem. It is the excess of the food that causes the problem. And if you are not willing to change your diet, then you must increase your overall activity and exercise level. So, on a positive note, what did you learn today?
Well, I think I learned. If I am not getting the results I want, I have to stop what I am doing, analyze what I am doing, and change what I am doing before trying again.
Well done, girl.